Weld Australia is the peak body for welding in Australia. We're members of the International Institute of Welding and are responsible for certification and training in Australia, and we advocate on behalf of welders in Australia. It's unlike any other industry association in that welding is a process rather than an industry. That means that many different industries use welding. Anything to do with the joining of metal involves welding. We have a team of welding engineers and specialists around Australia, and they have a number of functions. They provide welding advice to a whole range of companies. They also audit companies to the international standards. We have a team of absolutely the best welding engineers available in Australia. And what makes us so special is the fact that all of our advice is peer-reviewed. So when we do a job for a client, it's not just one engineer providing the advice, it's actually a group of the best engineers providing the advice. So we have every confidence that our advice is the right way to go. Membership of Weld Australia gives access to some of the finest technical minds in the world. We regularly bring world's experts over to deliver courses. We provide engineering and technical advice. So we have both individual and company membership. We have awards events every year around Australia where companies are recognised for their special, companies and individuals are recognised for their work during the year. There's a pathway where we train students in inspection, supervision, welding technologists and welding engineers. All of those courses are accredited by the International Institute of Welding. We provide online training courses which have been immensely popular, but we provide face-to-face training. So we do all of these courses. So that's individual certification and training. We also do company certification and training. So we certify companies to ISO 3834, which is the welding manufacturing code, effectively. We certify to 15085, and we also do other general certifications in terms of management, environment and infrastructure. It's my responsibility to promote welding to various governments in Australia, and we've been very successful at that over the past few years, because now there is no question that every government in Australia understands how important welding is to the delivery of infrastructure. And Weld Australia is advocating to ensure that that work is given to Australian companies. And this is a key part of what we're trying to achieve.